And we're right back in the saddle. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another Shiba Inu coin live stream. What an amazing day it was yesterday. I was here in this studio from 7:30 a.m. to 11 o'clock p.m. last night. I did get my 7+ hours of sleep. Went to bed at like midnight. Got up around 7:30. So I got my 7.5 hours. It was literally crypto, a little bit of eating yesterday in between all of that, and sleep. Today, I'm going to do a little bit better job. I got to get to the gym today. I got to do some things today, get outside a little bit. But we're starting off the morning right. It's Tuesday morning. Good morning to you. Good morning to everybody out there. It's March 5th, 2024. Dogecoin is fresh off an all-time high. Dogecoin is fresh. Excuse me. Dogecoin. I'm looking at Dogecoin. I want to talk about Dogecoin and Shiba Inu. That's why I got a little ahead of myself. Bitcoin is coming off a new all-time high here that was set on March 4th, 2024. I mean, let that sink in for a minute. Unbelievable. Unbelievable what we've seen in this entire market cap space, crypto market space, and especially what's happened with the overall market cap, sitting now at $2.54 trillion. The fear and greed index, I don't know if it can go any higher. Have we seen the fear and greed index higher than this? I guess we have, right at the top of the previous bull cycle. That's market cap, actually. Where's the fear and greed index? Have we ever seen it? No, I don't think we have. There you go. That's the all chart, right? Am I right? That's the all chart. This is 2023, but that's the CMC fear and greed index. There might be one out there that's, longer time frame, but I'd be hard pressed to remember a time where we saw the fear and greed index up this high, up to 90. And really, it's been an extreme greed for a while without a pullback, which is very, very shocking to me. Eventually, we're going to get one. There will be dips along the way. But right now, Bitcoin is pressing up, getting close to $68,000 again. Ethereum looks like it wants to get to 3,800. We're going to dive into the entire market, guys. Again, appreciate you guys so much for rocking with us here this morning. One of the big topics of discussion here today, though, is will Shiba Inu surpass Dogecoin in market cap? And not only Dogecoin, but Shiba Inu could pass Cardano too. That is very, very likely here this morning. Look at this, guys. SHIB is sitting at a $25+ billion market cap. Dogecoin is at 27 even. We are less than $2 billion away from Shiba Inu surpassing Dogecoin. And we are just over $2 billion away from Shiba Inu surpassing Cardano. And then from there, I know this sounds absolutely absurd and crazy, but Shiba Inu is not that far from surpassing stablecoin USDC. I mean, and then there's a little bit of a gap from Shiba Inu and XRP, about $10 billion. Obviously, then a bigger gap from SHIB to Solana, SHIB to BNB, et cetera, and then the big dogs are eating at the top. Of course, Bitcoin, $1.3 trillion market cap right now, making up a big chunk, 52.5%. That Bitcoin dominance, though, that number has come down a little bit. It has come down as we've seen this meme coin rally take off. And really, it's come down strictly because of meme coins. Pretty crazy. So we've got a ton of people in the house. Good morning to everybody. Where's the cup of coffee, bro? We got it right here, Aaron. We got the cup of coffee right here from the local coffee shop. It's time for the first sip. That's good. The first sip of coffee, hanging out with you guys on stream, doesn't get much better than this. It really doesn't. It doesn't get much better than this. Focus got the coffee emoji. Fire some coffee emojis if you guys are drinking coffee right now. Yeah, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe down there. Definitely helps us out. We've got all the Shiba Inu news you need today. Shiba Inu coin news coming at you every single day on this channel. So make sure you hit the notification bell too so you don't miss out on anything related to SHIB. Let's take a look at some of the overall market movers, though, and then we'll come right back to SHIB because, of course, SHIB is one of the market movers. But, hey, shout out to Theta Network. We are going to talk about Theta a little bit in this video. Do not let me forget, they had some really interesting news come out yesterday. In fact, I'll just go ahead and pull up a tab now. But Theta Network is a crypto we've talked about quite a bit in the past. And we will bring that back to we're going to bring that back to the forefront because they got some interesting news happening. Terra Luna Classic, LUNC community's got to be loving this. Up 24% here in the morning, 70% in the last 7 days. We're ranked number 83 there. How about ICP? ICP, we're seeing that rotation of capital. ICP's been quiet for a while. Where's my ICP folks at? That's looking really, really strong. Internet Computer up 20+% this morning. So we're seeing some capital roll in there. Kronos continues to make a nice little push, nice little surge here, up 60+% in the last 7 days. We love the gaming sector. Beam looks really good, looking to crack the top 50 here again. They've been there before. Ethereum, one of the top gainers. We've got the AI sector representing. BitTensor, Tau, looking really, really strong again. It's in the top 30 now. HBAR making a little bit of a move. Here's Celestia and Quant as well. Polkadot slowly but surely has been making a quiet push here. Still, I think a lot to be said about DOT. I think it's still very undervalued. That's one that's interesting. ApeCoin, Polygon up a little bit. Polygon Matic slowly coming on up. We mentioned Caspa yesterday at 15.5 cents was probably a pretty good entry. We're sitting at 16 plus, almost 17 cents here this morning. So it's bounced up since when we were on late last night. So we've got SHIB, obviously the main topic of discussion here. And guys, I think we're going to see it happen. If this pace continues, SHIB in the last week has outpaced Dogecoin 301%, 302%, we'll say, to 94%. We don't need much of that to happen here today in order for SHIB to flip Doge. If we go over and look at TradingView, go ahead and go to the daily there. We got a huge spike on Crow. That's actually the Crow chart. This is the SHIB daily chart. Not too shabby. Not too shabby. We'll go into the hour by hour and looking to make another little run here. Look what happened last time we made this similar little run. Big pop. So maybe, just maybe while we're on stream, we get one of those big candles that just absolutely sends us past Dogecoin and market cap. I got a feeling it's going to happen. And we actually just got momentum up on our 10-minute chart here using XT Algo. We had 60 signups yesterday to XT Algo. This is my trading indicator. So that is unbelievable. We were live virtually all day. But we had 60 people sign up. They are using XT Algo now. Easy trading made simple. This is a trading indicator that will help you make better decisions in crypto. Check it out. Links down below. Big discount going on right now as well. Get it for $37 a month when you use discount code X. But SHIB on the 10-minute chart just painted a momentum up, guys. So we're going to be watching this very, very closely. And we've got a super chat. Work with Kate Jordan, $10 super chat. Thank you so much, Kate. Good morning, Zach. This old lady loves you. Kate, right back at you. Much love to you and much love to everybody out there. Obviously would not be able to do this without you guys and gals. And you all mean the world to me. You are my family away from home, or my family away from my family, I guess. However you would say that. You are my family. Without you guys, wouldn't be able to do it, obviously. So thank you to everybody. Especially thank you to the people who show up time and time again. The people who've been here since 2021 with us when we were just learning about crypto. And we're still learning, by the way. We're just still figuring it out. But back then, we really had no idea what the hell we were doing. And we were navigating these crypto waters together like we are today. And there are times where we are still doing that. We are still all together, coming together to learn about this market. And that's what it's all about. So shout out to you, Kate. I appreciate you. We had a great Twitter space yesterday. We're doing Crypto Breakfast Club. We drink coffee at those breakfast clubs. It's every Monday morning. We're going to do them at 9:30 a.m. Eastern. After the big candle, play the Oscar clip. Yeah, I need to go find that on the channel. Where is that? Let me see if I can find that. I wonder if it pops up. It was on my channel. That's hilarious. I posted it as a video way back in the day. Oh, I think it is. This is it right here. Live pump reaction. I found it. All right, we'll have it queued up. Can you guys hear that? I don't know if you guys. Oh no, you can't hear it. Okay. There's all kind of audio settings, man. I am so bad with technical stuff, guys. I am so bad with technical stuff. When I bring people on, I got to change things, and then I am literally so bad. If anybody is a audio engineer and they want a job, I will hire you. I need a technical support person. I also need a secretary in house. I need help. I need help. Damn it. No, I'm doing okay. We're growing the business, but I could definitely use some people in here. All right, so. Oh shit! I don't know what I need to do here. It's so weird with StreamYard too. They do not make it easy. But hey, we'll figure it out when we set an all-time high or local high. How about that? Greetings from Dallas. What's going on, everybody? Got to sell to buy a boat. There you go, Roberto. Let's go, Shib. What's your email? If anybody wants to send me a business inquiry, make sure it's a business inquiry, but it is my email is attached to my YouTube channel. You can always hit me up over there. If you go to my YouTube channel, I'll show you guys. If you guys are interested in hitting me up, if you go to my YouTube channel, you'll go to, oh, where the hell would it be? Oh, you just click that right there. Oh, it's not there attached? Oh, view email address right there. So yeah, you just click the links or whatever and then view email address. There it is. So my business inquiry email, if you guys ever want to get a hold of me, is info@zhumphries.com. There you go. Just posted it in the chat. We are back at it again. Ronald has a plan. I love it. Watching from the Gold Coast, Australia, Nanika. That's amazing. Congratulations on this big run. It sounds like you're enjoying some of the gains. Leash is following. Yes. When SHIB will sell and collect profit? When should we sell and collect profit? So we talked about this. We've been talking about this. Jermaine, that is your decision, my brother. That is your decision. You have to make that call that's best for you. Everybody's going to be taking profits at different time periods based on their goals. What's your goal with Shiba Inu? How much money do you want to make with it? Where are you going to take those profits? These are questions you have to not only ask yourself, but you have to answer now before that time comes. Otherwise, you're going to be here asking us when you should sell. We don't know. We don't know how much you own. We don't know what your income level is. We don't know your goals. We don't know how much crypto overall you own, how much SHIB is your in your overall portfolio. We have no idea. So we can't just blindly answer that question. You know what I mean? Did you see the Coinbase crash again last night around midnight Eastern time? No, I did not. I did not. I did not know that happened. So we've got Dogecoin and SHIB up here. Dogecoin popping a little bit too. It did go up over 20 cents. SHIB sold off. SHIB sold off a little bit. We're going to need another rally. We're going to need some more people in here smashing the like button, subscribing. And we're going to have to push this price back up. What do you guys think? I'm new here. What's XT Algo? This is my trading indicator, my company I started last August. It's a software as a service company. Gives you simple visual indicators to make your trading easier and simpler. It's a 30-day money-back guarantee. It works perfectly with TradingView. That's the program it runs with. You can set up customized alerts for anything crypto stocks related. You can watch how it works here on the site. I've got a bunch of testimonials we're getting ready to put up there. This is my buddy Mark. He gave us one, but I got a bunch I'm going to put up there. We've got like 10 or 12 now. Instead of these numbers that you see, big discount. These numbers are actually good numbers considering how much these indicators are across the board from some other people. But we're offering this thing for $37 a month, less than $100 a quarter when you use the X at checkout. When you use X at checkout, yearly subscriptions down there at $400 instead of $500. Literally 21% off across the board. So if you guys are interested in that, again, 30-day money-back guarantee. For whatever reason you want your money back, we got you covered. But I know you're going to absolutely love it. Leash is breaking out as well. So Leash in the SHIB ecosystem, we're getting word that it's breaking out, and it sure is here in the hour by hour. We're up over $1,100 on Leash, guys. So Leash is looking very, very nice. We'll also pull up Bone. We were watching this one late last night, too. Bone was looking fantastic. And Bone's kind of consolidating a little bit here in the 10-minute. We'll go into the 1 hour, and that looks pretty damn good, too. So Bone spiked up to $1.80 at some point last night. That's crazy. So late last night, Bone got up to $1.80. Came back down, sold off, wicked all the way down to $1.10, and now being bought back up. So I've said this before, Dr. Drogan. I think if you're part of the SHIB ecosystem, having a little bit of everything, in my opinion, within the ecosystem is probably a good move. For instance, I own SHIB, Bone, and Leash. I own more SHIB than anything, then Bone, then Leash. But I actually own more Bad Idea AI than I do Leash. And I'm going to be owning K9 Finance. That's going to be their liquid staking crypto that's coming to Shibarium. That launches, by the way, guys, on Thursday. So be on the lookout for that. That is an official Shiba Inu token, K9 Finance. If you guys haven't heard about this, this is going to be a very interesting project to watch. Liquid yield coming to Shibarium. Very interesting concept here. Look into what liquid staking is. Look into what Lido DAO does for Ethereum. Powered by K9, the K9 token, official SHIB token partnership project. And again, TGE March 7th. Very excited about this. They've got some big spaces coming up. March 7th, noon Eastern. Uniswap V2, ERC20. Here's Kusama talking about it 20 hours later. They are dedicated to Shibarium and Bone and are proud to have, they just added Buzz. I got to meet Buzz, actually, right here, the K9 Finance DAO founder. Met him virtually. I also met one of their other founders, Maynor, who runs Eat Toronto. And SHIB was the main sponsor last year. There were a lot of these people talking about K9 Finance in August of last year. That's why I decided to become a private investor in this one. I think it's going to perform really well. If it does anything like Bad Idea did, look out, right? If it does anything like Bad Idea did, look out. Real quick shout out, Myro on Solana, guys. Myro on Solana set new all-time highs today. This is a project that I talked about. I invested very early in. Organically talked about them on my channel. Then they came to me and asked me to do a sponsored video. I did a sponsored video, and the price tanked. And everybody and their brother came at my throat. They came at my neck because the price tanked. And I said, well, hey, it's crypto, guys. I think it'll come back. Here's what happened. It came down here, consolidated, and look at this. Absolutely exploding, guys. $47 million of volume in the last 24 hours for Myro. $47 million in the last 24 hours for Myro. Great to see some more Solana meme coins doing their thing. This got up to a $300 million market cap. Could Myro be the next $1 billion Solana meme coin? We've had Bonk. We've had Dog with Hat. Could we have a third one on the horizon here? Could it be Myro? We'll see. I've got a bag. We'll see if it pops. How about TokenFi too? TokenFi, guys, making new all-time highs. This is in the Floki ecosystem. Unbelievable. Speaking of Bad Idea AI, though, look at Bad Idea AI. It's been on a nice little surge. 1, 2, 3, 4. Working on a 5th green candle in a row. We haven't seen these price levels since November 2023 and really consistently since October 2023. Bad Idea has been consolidating nicely. This is part of the SHIB ecosystem. And if Canine Finance is anything like Bad Idea, I mean, look what Bad Idea did. It absolutely went crazy. Where did Bad Idea get to? Let's see. How high of a market cap did Bad Idea AI get to? Bad Idea AI right now is a $24 million market cap. Nice volume coming in there. It got all the way up to 7 months ago, 3601953. So we're about 75% away from that. So that's where it got to. Let's see if does the coin perspective have Bad Idea? They do. How about that? They do. So what was the price point? Let's see how far we are from that all-time high. It was 601953, right? Yeah, 601953. Remember that 601953. Oh, it's not going to do it, huh? Shit. Is it too many zeros? Yeah, it doesn't do it. Doesn't do it. But here, what's a 10x? So not quite there yet. Or wait. Yeah. Yeah, no, we'd be over. We'd be over it. So what are we, about a 5x? We're about a 4x. We're about a 4x away from all-time highs. Is that right? Yeah. So anyway, Bad Idea AI, what I'm trying to say is it went over $100 million market cap at launch, okay? And if Canine Finance can do that, I mean, and you can get in early, like Bad Idea, I mean, you could have got in here $1-2 million market cap, and then you go to 100 million. I mean, this is the opportunity here. You never know, right? You never know. But even if Canine does half of what Bad Idea did, this could be a phenomenal opportunity. So I think this should be one that's on your radar. I can't tell you what to buy or sell. I'm not a financial advisor. I can only put you guys on the plays that I'm making. I can only tell you guys what I'm doing. And I showed you guys, if you've been watching my streams for a while, I showed you guys one of my strategies this year is to privately invest in a lot of different companies. Canine Finance is one of those companies that I am privately investing in. Okay. Meaning I put money into the pre-sale, and we'll see what I'm probably going to buy it at launch too. Because I think it has tremendous potential. If you guys have not already, subscribe to the channel. And when you subscribe, don't forget to ring the notification bell. Turn all notifications on because we're just heating up in this crypto bull market, guys. Do you understand what's coming? We've got the Bitcoin halving right around the corner, a little bit over a month away. And the biggest gains historically have come months after the Bitcoin halving. And we are already gearing up. We are already crushing expectations. So you're going to want to be locked in here to this channel because we're here every single day. You can rely on us. I got the sign right behind me. We grind. We were here 16 hours yesterday grinding, and we do it for you. We do it for the community. We do it to get more people into crypto. We do it because we love it, and we're here every single day, every step of the way. SHIB is selling off a little bit, guys. So we are getting a little bit of a dip here in the price in the 10-minute, last 20 minutes or so, getting a little bit of a sell-off here. So we're going to have to track this carefully here. Let's see who we got comment-wise. Let's see what we got here. Zach, do you think SHIB will continue to go up? Let's jump right to the super chat. Thank you so much for the super chat. Angry Kendi. Listen, I think SHIB overall has more room to run in this bull run, but there will be ebbs and flows or dips along the way. There will be pullbacks along the way. But yes, overall, I think SHIB is just getting started in this cycle. Put a video out last night, and this was a big piece of the news on Shiba Inu. Not sure if you guys saw this yet, but we did put a video out on this. The fact that Shiba Inu announced big SHIB name debut and airdrop for users. If you guys don't know what Ethereum name service is, ENS, we covered it in a video yesterday. Okay, we covered it in, by the way, we played Pump It Up in the live stream. we played Pump It Up in the live stream last night, and they demonetized the video. So we got to watch play on that, but it's okay. I don't even care. Screw it. It was worth it. Okay. Anyway, this video right here. Big Shiba Inu coin update March 5th. We talked about it yesterday. This video we put out 13 hours ago. This was all about what's going on with Ethereum name service and SHIB's version of the Ethereum name service. So SHIB announces big SHIB name debut and airdrop for users. It's SNS, SHIB name service, which is expected today, the first version. Long-awaited early access to SHIB name tokens has finally arrived, stirring excitement within the community. Shiba Inu announced the release of version 1.1 of the SHIB name service, SNS. That's good. In a tweet on March 4th, yesterday, in preparation for the epic event, transfers of current name tokens were suspended for 2 hours on March 4th, yesterday, to capture a snapshot that would be utilized to airdrop the updated new SHIB names in partnership with D3 Inc. So that is happening sometime today, and mentions here SHIB reached 27-month highs of 456 in today's trading, becoming the market's 10th largest crypto. And we are on the heels of Dogecoin, guys. I want to see it happen today. I would love to see it happen on stream. That would be nice. But we're getting a little bit of a dip in the overall market, it looks like. Overall liquidity, little bit of a liquidity, what do you call it? Liquidity drain here across the board. So it's not just SHIB. Check it out, guys. Look, we're getting a little bit of a liquidity drain here. SHIB down 5, almost 6%. Same thing with Doge and Cardano. Everything getting crunched a little bit here just in the last hour. We'll see if these dips are quickly bought back up. Stacks down a little bit. That could be a good entry there. I love me some Stacks. Pepe down a little bit as well. Let's see here. If we sort by the last hour, Terra Luna Classic still pumping. Pepe down the most. SHIB too. The high volatile stuff obviously going to pull back a little bit. Singularity Net pulling back a little bit. This AI sector, you guys know we've been loving the AI sector as of late. Floki pulling back, but TokenFi, their sister token, crushing it. WorldCoin's been pulling back a little bit. Fetch AI, another one that recently set all-time highs. Chronos pulling back here in the last hour. Okay, so a little bit of a liquidity crunch here in the last hour. Nothing to freak out about, though. We know that, that's how this is all played. Let's see. Who else do we got in the chat? Let's see. Big Crypto Z. We need a first sip shirt, like, and comment, people. That would be nice. A first sip shirt. I've thought about doing merch. I don't know. Would you guys buy merch? I never knew if you guys were interested in getting merch. I don't know. I've thought about it. I've got my logo, which is up at the top right of the screen there. I've had that printed on shirts and hats and things like that before. But I mean, I think the first sip would be pretty cool, actually. Let's see. Dakota Jarrett's in the house. Sandy said smash the like button, fam. Yeah. Go ahead and hammer the like button if you guys haven't already. You know the drill. Slippity smash that like button or gently tap it. Do whatever you need to do. Definitely helps us out. Definitely helps us out. Let's see. Who else do we got here? Dips when people sell. Yes, there will be dips when people sell. Yes, there will be. We ain't going to be able to hear it. What do you mean? When will Shiba boost up like mad? I mean, it's done that. Last 7 days, it was up 300+%. When we trade within XT algo, or is it just a trading indicator? So it is a trading indicator that sits on top of TradingView that gives you the indication of when things are breaking up and when it's breaking down. And then you have your trading platform of choice to take action. So it just sits on top of TradingView for you. The Zay, what's up, man? Howdy, big bro. Good morning to you, Zay. What's up, man? It's been a little while. I don't know if you were in here yesterday. If you were, man, I might have missed you. We had, I don't even know, almost 3,000 people on stream with us yesterday. It was awesome. We were rocking and rolling. LUNC is running. It is. I'd buy a first sip coffee cup. Well, we've got this coffee cup. You guys ever see this coffee cup? You ever see this? Here, let me go full screen here. You guys ever see this? We did have, we had Shiba Brew. We had our own Shiba coffee from Shiba Brew. So I do have my coffee cup here. Check her out. What do you guys think? Not too shabby, right? And I'll tell you what, I strategically brought the mustache back because this picture was taken back in 2021 when the market was firing up. And I got rid of the mustache in the bear market. I'm telling you guys, I started to grow it back and everything just started going like crazy. I think there's something to it. If you're superstitious, I don't know. I think I think there's something maybe to it. I don't know. What do you guys think? But yeah, we do have that coffee cup. We use this one all the time. So shout out to Shiba Brew. We've got our own blend with Shiba Brew as well. So yeah, shout out to those guys. They are doing the thing, selling Shiba coffee. So hell yeah, that's pretty sweet. Share my screen again. Get that ugly face off the full screen. Retail is king. Let's buy. Dips when people sell. We ain't going to be able to hear it. Good morning. Do you know there's a second best? Right? Just saying. When will Shiba boost it up like mad? Jasmine still a good DCA price at current level? Question mark. Where is Jasmine? Let's see. I've only had one entry. It was at the 1.3 level. We're sitting at the 2.2. So we've almost doubled. I think at one point we actually did. Yeah, it spiked up over the 2.6. Yeah, it's slowly coming down a little bit. I think this is a good opportunity to DCA. I mean, you're not buying at the top. It's still looking really good on the macro 1 month trend. I think if you're playing the long-term game here with Jasmine, not financial advice, but I wouldn't be like opposed to DCAing here. You know, one thing that's important to note, guys, a lot of people will sit and wait, trying to find the perfect time. There is no perfect time. If you believe that this market is going to go higher overall, if you believe we're just getting started in this bull run, historically speaking, that would be exactly where we're at, about 20 to 30% in, then there's never going to be a perfect time. Dollar cost averaging, I think, is the way to go, especially if you got an asset like this that you love, whether it's SHIB, Jasmine, Dogecoin, Ethereum, Cardano, whatever it is. You could beat yourself up if you're trying to find this perfect entry point, because the perfect entry point might not ever show up, might not ever come to you. So I think it's really important to note that, look at the macro and understand that, hey, if you're looking at it saying, do you think this price is going to go up from here 8 months from now, 10 months from now? If the answer is yes, then don't beat yourself up trying to find the perfect entry point. It's definitely time for merch. Get those hats rolling. I probably should. I mean, do you guys know the best ways to go about that? We'll see. I mean, I've got the logo. I mean, I could get it printed. I've got it printed on shirts and hoodies and stuff, just so I can wear them and stuff. But yeah, we'll see. Maybe we will start it. That's one thing I've never really got heavy into. Is GST a good buy? That's that green Satoshi thing that came up last night on our stream. I don't know what that is, but I have no idea. Rohit. Not Your Father's Capital's in the house. What's up, man? We were live last night. Have a good day, everyone. Crypto never sleeps. Neither does Zach. Appreciate y'all. Yeah, man, we got our 7 hours, but we're right back here in the saddle. Dips is when you buy to DCA. Yep. Last night to 4032. Shiba Pumps is trying to hit 3012. That's the goal. Nice. That's good that you have a goal. That's good that you have a goal and an exit plan. Can you talk about how the burns are coming into factor? We saw community burns really heat up in February, which was great. But we're really waiting for the big impact that automated burns will have. Automated burns are going to be the big feature that I think we're waiting to see. Let's talk a little bit about the burns and where we are, okay? So if we go to SHIB, we'll go to Shibarium and SHIB burn. All right, let's pull this up. And let's do which one is this? That's SHIB burn. Let's go to Shibarium as well, just the Shibarium scan. So transaction-wise, we've been looking pretty solid. 211 million. We had a nice little spike up to about 4 million a couple different times in February, which was awesome. One day on my birthday there, February 19th. That was good to see. So we've done a pretty consistent transaction spread here on Shibarium, which is good. Now we go to SHIB burn, which helps us track what's going on here. We've got $1.4 million worth of bone accumulated here right now. Now, that is in USD almost $2 million. Pretty crazy. This is going to be sent to Shiba Inu. Bone's going to be transferred into SHIB and then burned. I mean, so we've got 2 million sitting here. Now, what I don't know is, are they waiting to burn this when the automated burns go live? We did see the actual team make some burns. Remember, they did make some big burns just based on what's happened with Shibarium, but this is still sitting here. Now, it is a percentage of this, right? It's 70% of the base fee, remember, right? So we're really waiting for the automated burns, and we're seeing if this overall number that's been accumulated so far is going to go into the automated burns, or if this is going to be manually burned here at some point before the automated burns go live. All right. So that's kind of what we got right now with burns. Yeah, John Wood, a lot of people have asked me to do more XT algo, like in-depth tutorial videos. What I want to do is, because I've got 1 or 2 up there, I want to do some more myself, but I also want to have some other people who use it that are very technical also give their tutorial videos. So I'm actually on the hunt for some people. I will pay you for it. If you do use XT algo, send me an email at info@zhumphries.com. Info@zhumphries.com. If you're using XT algo and you're a technical trader and it's helping you make money in crypto and you want to make some money by doing a tutorial video, send me an email. It's on the back end of my YouTube channel, and we can talk, because I do want to hire some other people to do some tutorials for me, because everybody uses this tool a little bit differently. So if you guys are interested in that, send me an email, or send an email to support@xtalgo.com. You can send an email to support@xtalgo.com. That's right here, down here on the Contact Us page. It's support@xtalgo.com. So if you're somebody using it and you want to make some money by doing filming a tutorial, I'll drop that in there. I think that's a really good idea. Thank you, John, for that. I appreciate that. Okay. And I just dropped that in there. I think that would be awesome if we can get some people to email us today. We've got hundreds of people using it. I'm sure there's people out there that are crushing it. I know there are. So if you're interested and you want to make some extra cash, we'll hook you up. We'll talk about it and hook you up. So SHIB is selling off a little bit here this morning. as we've come on here on the stream. So listen, there will be pullbacks, there will be dips. Not time to freak out, not time to panic, right? We're in this more macro trend. We're still creating higher lows here on the little bit of a dip here. We did get a momentum down flash here in the last 10 minutes. So if you're still in a trade and you're at a profit-taking trough, might be an opportunity to take some profits off the table. And this is how this XT algo works, right? We get the momentum down here. This is basically a signal that says, hey, if you were looking to take profits when we started a downtrend, this might be the time to do it. Now, could this reverse? Obviously, anything's possible in crypto. But for the most part, XT algo does a really phenomenal job of allowing you to see when trends are forming. And you could take advantage of that. You could take advantage of that, whether you're a short-term swing trader, midterm, long-term. You could take full advantage of when charts are breaking out or breaking down. We got a super chat here from Barnett, who became a new member here on YouTube yesterday. Barnett, what's up? Zach, bull stash meme coin to the moon. Nice. Bull stash. Hey, if that crypto ends up on the market, I did not create it, okay? I am not in the neighborhood of making any cryptocurrency project. So question, do you think there's a crazy concern that if Shiba Inu gets to the point where folks are making money all-time high, there will be a mass exit? There's definitely going to be people taking profits here as we get closer and closer to the all-time high. But Wall Street pickers, the hope is that you've got those people are met with other people who are new. And I will say this too. A lot of people are looking for SHIB to set new all-time highs before taking profits, but beyond all-time highs. A lot of people have, I think, plans for SHIB that, let's pull up SHIB here for a second. I think a lot of people have if we look at this, take this, drop it in here, 0.001 plans, even 0.0001, that would be just barely all-time highs. But I think a lot of people I've heard and talked to, have this price level, the 201, of course, the 1 cent dream, right? But even 0.001, that's still a 24x. I mean, that's still a massive upside potential here from here. So, there will be people taking profits along the way, 100%. But you think that there will also be people, for as many people as are taking profits, there'll be new people coming in, right? And the demand will still be there. Leash and Bone been running. Yep. So SHIB is bouncing back up here in the 5-minute. Nice. We're getting back into the 4s. We're going to keep tabs on this for sure. Good morning, Cypher. How you doing, man? Do you think automated burn will actually happen? They've promised and not followed through multiple times. Well, I know. It's been frustrating from that standpoint. We've talked about that in the past. I do think it will come to fruition. When? I don't know. They have not given a timetable. They did this, was it January? Yeah, it was late January where they went into the testing phase of the automated burn portal. When exactly it'll go live, I'm not 100% sure. But yes, I do think it will go live. I just don't know when. But yeah, if you guys are interested or have any questions with XT Algo, hit us up at support@xtalgo.com. Or if you're, again, somebody who's using the indicator all the time right now and you're crushing it and you want to make some extra cash by recording a tutorial video for me and for the website, because I want to get different voices, different people using it different ways. If you want to do that, reach out to us at support@xtalgo.com and we will be in touch with you. Myself or my customer service rep will get in touch with you. Because we definitely want to get more tutorial videos out there. We've got a ton more people using it. Again, we had 60 signups yesterday. Unbelievable. So many new people coming and using it. Let's see. Just threw $10 at SHIB while it's down. Let's see what happens. Hey, I like it. Having some fun with it. I like it. LOL, SHIB is consolidating or at most getting ready for a bear trap. It hasn't even fallen more than 3% on the daily. Dangerous place now for SHIB. Shiba down. Yes, Shiba's down. We're watching it. Guys, don't panic. Yeah, I mean, listen, it's all depending on your goals, right? I mean, it's if you're in a short-term swing trade, I don't know where you're at. I don't know where your average cost is. I don't know what your goals are. You got to ask yourself. Everybody's plan is different, but overall, I'm not panicking here. I mean, we've just went up 300+% in a few days. It's a little bit of a pullback in the overall market. This is not SHIB specific. No, it's not. There's no reason to panic. We're up 335% in a month. There's going to be pullbacks, guys. If you guys are new to crypto, uh, be ready for volatility, because if you're not ready for this volatility in crypto and you can't understand what happens, things just don't go up forever, right? But make sure you subscribe to this channel, because we're going to be here for you. We know that so many new people are coming in. We've learned a lot in the last 3.5 years through the ups and downs. We've been through some highs and lows for sure, multiple times. So if it dips, I'm buying more Shiba because it's going to the moon. Nice. Market just open. Yeah. Overall market just open in the stock market. Yes. Just did, Zach. Thank you for that opportunity. Nice. Awesome. So Real Dominican, send an email in. That's awesome. I'm going to send a text to my sales rep today. I'm going to send her a text right now. And hold on one sec. I've got people emailing in who want to record tutorial videos on how they use XT Algo. Please put those in a separate folder. There we go. That way she knows. So if you guys do want to record a tutorial for XT Algo, send me an email. We'll get you hooked up and we'll meet on a price point and I'll get you paid. And we do want to hear from some different voices on how they're using it. I think that'll be great. And then we can post those and hell, maybe even one goes viral on Twitter or something, Real Dominican. So that would be cool. SHIB is scary. What do you mean? What do you mean, Philip? Got in SHIB at 50549. Is that 50? Nice. Well, you're looking good, Warren. Do you have a profit-taking plan, though? Do you have a strategy? Or are you just watching it go up and up and up and up and up and up and up? Hopefully you have a plan. If you don't, there's still time to make one. How high do you think SHIB will go this time around? First and foremost, we've got to get back to all-time highs and set new ones. Once we do that, the floodgates open. Like we've seen with Pepe, there's no real telling how high we'll go once we get past all-time highs. It's all dependent then on the market, the demand, the retail FOMO, all of that sort of stuff, right? Remember, if you hold, the price will rise as there's not a lot of supply to the demand. Took more than profit on Shiba. Now just letting it ride all the way. You see MK is being listed today. I did not see that, Brett, but good morning to you, man. Is that Meme Kong? Meme Kong's getting listed today? Going live today? What caused the big sell-off last night? Last night? There really wasn't a big sell. Oh, like right in here? People taking profits. We dipped all the way down to the 3.5. We've recovered pretty nicely, though, from it. I mean, to me, CJ, this is no reason to be concerned. This is crypto. Like this is standard procedure. You know what I'm saying? I mean, we pumped 300 and some odd percent, and we got, about a 15, 20% pullback there last night. That's completely normal. There's nothing out of the ordinary there. People are going to sell at various price points. Angela, that's a good point. At these like psychological levels, I think that's a really good point. I think you're right. I think when people are strategizing and they're considering where to take profits, I think you're right. People will take profits at certain levels. Guys, I've been drinking coffee this morning. I don't want to share too much information, but I think I might have to go to the bathroom. I might just put some music on and be right back. All right. How about that? So I'm going to put a little overlay on here. Let's see. Sorry if that offended anybody. but we'll have the chart up. And we should be able to put some tunes on. Okay. Let's see here. And let me know in chat that you guys can hear the tunes. Everybody's having fun with that. Coffee cleaning out the system. Yeah, about that. Yeah. Okay, let's see here. So Anas, thank you so much for the donation there too. Guys, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, definitely do that. And when you do, ring the notification bell too, so you get notified when we put out content. A lot of people will subscribe, and for whatever reason, the algorithm won't find them when we put out new content, when we go live. So make sure you ring the notification bell. You'll get a little alert to your phone, and you'll know every single time our community's live and rocking here on YouTube, and you can join us for that. 0.13 billion SHIB burnt in the last 24 hours. We need much more. We had a nice little uptick in February. $300 or 300 Shiba Inu coins. Well, $300 can get you much more than that. Much more SHIB. Theta seems to be pumping a bit more than the rest. Yeah, some good news came out yesterday on Theta. What's going to happen to Shiba? Hammy, if I knew that, if I knew exactly what was going to happen in the next day or week or month, if I knew exactly what was going to happen and nobody else did, can you imagine what I could do? I'm just having fun, man. Nobody knows, right? Nobody knows. But that's what makes crypto fun. You speculate on what's going to happen. You try to make sense of what's going on. We're pumping back up. Yeah, slowly but surely making a little charge here. Shiba target price. You know, I mentioned this. For me, first stop is all-time highs. I want to see 301. That's a big threshold for me. And then we'll see what happens from there. Because once we set all-time highs, the floodgates open. SHIB price target by the end of 2024. So hard to predict this, man. I mean, it's just, I don't know. There's really no way to tell. There's really no way to tell. We're about, we were cutting close 50% to all-time highs. I mean, that to me is shocking. I never thought we'd be here this soon. We do think altcoins and the rest of the market will do well after the halving. We think the biggest gains are going to come after the halving. If history repeats itself, that's how it'll play out. You know, after the halving, you look at the 12 to 15 month mark is usually where the market tops out. So take that information and utilize it, right? Think about that. If history repeats itself, which that's what we have to go off of right now, although we're in a little different situation with Bitcoin ETFs and potentially Ethereum ETFs, but you could use these time frames and obviously your own price points with where you want to get in and out of. You could use these time frames of 12 to 15 months after April of this year and say, okay, April 2025, May 2025, June, July, August, these might be times where I want to take some profits. So when you're developing your plan, you could do it from price points, but you can also do it from time. And you go off history, 12 to 15 months after the halving is usually the tops. Bitcoin just hit a new all-time high, Eric. Yeah, I know. We were just here for it live. Unbelievable. And then we sold off a little bit, and then we're trying to bounce back up. If you guys are somewhere at work right now and you shouldn't be listening to this stream, let me know in the chat. I'm curious. If you guys are at work right now and you're not getting anything done for a second day in a row because Bitcoin's setting all-time highs, I want to hear from you guys in the chat. I think there are a lot of those people. I know I would be. If I was still working as a professor, I think I'd be canceling class today. Or I'd be pulling up the Bitcoin chart and showing all the college students why they should have bought Bitcoin. If I wouldn't have got out of my job, I probably would have got fired soon after because I was not really going by the book. I was talking about crypto a lot to people in like classes that didn't really even have anything to do with it. But hey, that's neither here nor there. Hopefully they listened. Yeah, guilty. LOL, me. Oh yeah. At work right now. Yep. What's up, Zach? Joel. Yeah, so a ton of people. I am at work in welding. Nice, right? Guilty, but on break. Nice. I'm self-employed. I've got nothing done in the last week and a half. Nice. Yep, on my prep, high school teacher. Nice, man. Yep, 100%. I'm working a flight and listening. Nice, Mikey. Can Pepe reach 0.0001? Guilty, and I'm in tree removal business. What's up, man? Guilty is charged. That's hilarious. I had a feeling. I'm at work, working from home. Nice. Guilty Barnett. That's me. I'm at work. Heavy equipment operator at the quarry in West Virginia, listening to you on my ear pod. What's up, Blue Collar Nick? That's amazing, man. XRP and Solana. I'm going to go with Solana. And I like XRP. But I think Solana is just a better bet. Put it this way, it's less risky right now. That could totally change if XRP and Ripple gets by here in this lawsuit. Listening to you while I'm fertilizing. Nice. Live from the office in London. Love your streams. Thanks, man. I appreciate it. That's hilarious. I'm in the shower waiting for the water to heat up and watching the stream. Nice. I'm running around my house screaming I'm rich and my family thinks I'm crazy. Nice, Eric. My wife's honey to-do list is not getting done. Nice, Eli. Will we see the all-time high before the halving? Bardia, you mean for SHIB or for what? We just saw a new all-time high with Bitcoin. We just saw a new all-time high. Let's go ahead and cover some of the news, guys. There are some interesting things happening here. So, of course, this just hit 19 minutes ago. History has been made. Bitcoin breaks new all-time high of $69,000 more than a month before the Bitcoin halving. And please stop saying halvening. It's just halving. Okay? A lot of people are saying the Bitcoin halvening. It's the Bitcoin halving. Bitcoin officially tapped a new all-time high in U.S. dollars here on stream, reclaiming its previous record of $69,000, which was hit back November 10th, 2021. The new milestone takes Bitcoin's market cap over $1.35 trillion. We have dialed back a little bit since then. We're back down to 67.8, coming back down. But yes, guys, we spiked up to $69,000 here today. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. And we've been talking about it. You know, what's the reason? What's going on? These Bitcoin spot ETFs that launched in January, which made spot Bitcoin a possible investment option for a ton of deep pocket institutional buyers that didn't want to hold crypto in their own wallet, didn't want to have that control. They wanted BlackRock to hold it for them. They wanted Fidelity to hold it for them. They wanted Cathie Wood to hold it for them. Well, that's fine. That's all good and dandy, because what it's done here to Bitcoin and what it's done here to crypto to start 2024, I think has blown expectations out of the water. And this is what I'm talking about. Imagine when we get an Ethereum ETF as well. Imagine what happens when we get an Ethereum ETF alongside a Bitcoin ETF. So, yeah, we got the trend. We were here at market open at 9:30 when the stock market opened, and boom, we immediately basically see all-time highs on Bitcoin. As soon as the stock market opened, the asset was trading not very long after above $69,000. So another day, another Bitcoin pump. into the AI space with auditing solutions. You know, a lot of the auditing is done by Certic right now. I think eventually that's going to change when AI really advances. They've got their liquidity locked, over 2,000 holders, kind of a relatively small cap still, 22 million. OX scans, guys, check them out. BitRock, shout out to BitRock. They've got a $9 million market cap, looking really, really strong. BitRock is a layer 2, like Shibarium. They've been ramping up their transactions, over 7,000 holders. Shout out to BitRock. Been working with them for a really long time, almost since day one. Shout out to Tradex. Tradex, just under $1 million market cap. It's been a while since I've worked with them in the past, and just want to give them a quick shout out. They are also building out a really cool application that's already live to help you with trading. You know, when you go to sleep and you can't set your alerts to automatically sell your new coins, you can't set what do you call it, limit orders. You could do that through the Tradex app now. Pretty cool. Pal AI, early investor in this one. Met those guys at eToronto last year. Unbelievable what they've done, getting up over a $400 million market cap. Vault, big partner of Pal AI, also in the AI space. AI Escrow, they're at a $22 million market cap. Them and Scans right there in that similar spot in market cap. I really like Vault Tech. Smog is a Solana meme coin we talked about and did a video on Smog, guys, at a $2 million market cap. They just crossed over a 90 million. I sold way too early. If you're still holding on to this and still crushing it, congratulations. We had a partnership deal with them at a $2 million market cap. Crazy, crazy, crazy what happens in the meme coin space. Let's see what else we've got here. Run through some others. Alvaro launched yesterday. We are sitting at a $3 million market cap. It's very, very early still for Alvaro. I think this project's still going to do really, really well. I'm a private investor in this one, so it's still early days. Alvaro sitting at $3.13 million market cap. We'll be watching that, tracking that as well. Bad Idea AI, we mentioned that earlier. That's been crushing it as of late. Shout out to them. Official SHIB project, of course. Suka's had a really nice run. It's dialing back a little bit here after getting up to about the 5.7 level, $57 million market cap. This is another community token. They have not seen a bull run yet. Very excited for this one in the bull run. Suka, shout out to their team and the family over there. ZKML, worked with these guys very, very early days at around a $6 million market cap. They're sitting at $28 million right now. ZKML went all the way to a $43 million just days ago. ZKML is built on the XRP ledger, guys. ZKML. Give that one a look. Sora's a meme coin I've been following. Got wrecked on this one so far. But you know what? It's still hanging in there. Still has pretty good volume. We'll see what happens. I'm going to hold on to it. OXN, OX number, building decentralized phone numbers. Really cool project as well. Sitting just below a $5 million market cap. We were in here below $1 million. We did work with them, help them with marketing a little bit, get off the ground. PMPY, on a little bit of a pullback. They're finally seeing some retracement after, I don't even know, 15 or 16 days of just straight up. PMPY, though, in the AI space, they're building out a whole application. Check them out. They're still at a $15 million market cap. They did cross up and over a $25 million market cap at the peak there. Still really, really solid project. On a little bit of a dip here. Could be an interesting entry point here as well for PMPY. Our meme coin, Tremp, I didn't tell you guys, I did exit this trade yesterday. We ended up making, we ended up getting like a 10x out of it, and we took profits. We actually took profits twice. So overall, it was like a 12 or 13x on this Solana meme coin. We're out of Tremp right now. Watch it freaking pump to the moon, but we're already out of it. We did exit that trade. We only put $300 in, so hey, that was nice. We turned like 2.5 Solana into 30 Solana, something like that. We'll take that all day. I'm using the Solana meme coins right now, guys, to literally stack my Solana bags. I want to be able to accumulate more and more Solana right now ahead of this bull run. And that's kind of, one way I'm looking to go and do it is definitely with the meme coins. So, Yeah, we did say Meme AI has been pumping here. That's cool. Meme AI. We did a video on them, and they've been kind of slow starting, but now they're pumping a little bit again, so that's good. We're tracking them. All right, guys, let's quickly go across the markets here again. Shiba's pulling back a little bit, but again, this is not a Shiba-related thing. It is overall just a crypto-wide pullback. Bitcoin, same thing, 65,250 right now after hitting $69,000 on this stream, guys. If you were here, man, what a moment in time that was. It was about an hour and a half ago now. Just absolutely amazing to see Bitcoin hit an all-time high right here on the stream. We were looking at Doge on Mars. Interesting spot, I think. Leash coming down to 875. Pepe still coming down to 6.4 right now. That's what we've got, guys. We're going to have a ton more videos coming out on the channel today. A lot to get to. This 3-hour live stream, couldn't do it without you guys. Brought to you by coffee and water. And Alvara, what's the ticker? Alvara, ticker symbol, ALVA, Alvara. Give them a look. I mean, do your research, obviously. They are a legit project, though. They launched on the Tenet Launchpad, which is a really good one. Nearly 80,000. Here, I'll leave the Twitter for you. Do some research and do some digging, obviously, before you decide to get in. But, yeah, guys, on your way out, smash the like button. This has been another amazing, amazing stream. Let's see. Did we cross over 131,000 subs? We did. Unbelievable. Thank you, guys. We crossed over 131,000, but feel free to hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, and the notification bell as well, so you don't miss out on any content we put out. 3-hour live stream, guys, in the books. Another one down. Many more to be had in this bull run and in these next several weeks, months, and years. Appreciate you guys as always. Enjoy the rest of your Tuesday. Hopefully, took you away from the workday a little bit, made your workday a little bit more interesting. And we'll see you around on the other side. Going to have a ton of content. Make sure you guys are ready with the notification bell to watch all of that. And that's what I'm going to go do now. All right. See you guys. Bye.